Nature, the creator, the parent. We call it Mother Nature. Approximately 4 billion years old, it's still surviving, still youthful. What she is what we are. We may claim ourselves being dependent on this mother of ours, just like the successful businessman, but the reality is exactly the opposite. Since times past, the earth aged. Nature survived through many stages of our earth's history. From the Archean era, the beginning of life, till now, the 21st century. Nature witnessed dinosaurs on earth, the prehistoric birds as well as the newer versions of history, tigers, lions, cats, insects, reptiles, and man. Man is said to have evolved from apes, though the thought is mostly based on common characteristics and traits. As far as I'm concerned, there is more to it, but we all can accept the fact that man progressed from being a primitive hunchback to being an intelligent animal. This intelligence, as we call it, has resulted from our comparatively bigger brain. But the real question is, are we as intelligent as we think we are? Are we humans as human as we think we are? These are questions only we, rationally thinking beings, can